All right, these are the headlight bulbs that we got here from Amazon on a 2006 Honda Pilot. And what we're doing is we're changing out the low beams because the low beams are getting bad on one of them, only one of them, but we are changing out both. So these are H11s on a 2006 Honda Pilot. And again, it is specifically this low beam right here. So specifically, you'll want to be under a dry place when you are doing this, like we are right now. So they are a little bit different to get to. This is the passenger side right here, where you've noticed you've got a nice open area right here. And then the driver's side is gonna be a little bit more challenging right there, because we've got other stuff like our fog lights also hooked up right there. So it's gonna be a little bit tighter to get to that bulb, but here we go. As far as the bulbs go, you're gonna wanna make sure that we just got these on Amazon. These are actually our second set of H11 bulbs. The first set lasted a really long time, as they should for LED headlights. We always try to get the ones with a fan. And you can see right there, they've just got a little fan right there built right in to these particular bulbs right here.
They have 3 directional notches. One's wider, 2 are smaller. And the reason being, we're gonna push it in, line it up, and turn it to lock it.
Yep, there's a weather sealing right there.
So first, let's show you how to get the old ones out.
We're going to the passenger side right here.
So this guy right here has a turn right here. All I did was grab it and turn it. This notch is on the top, so I turned it this way, went from vertical to this way. Down here is my clip, a little further down. It is a push clip to hook over the end of that. I'm gonna grab my new one that doesn't have, that's actually a power distribution box because it's a little older. So if you look right here, just push and clip it in. There's a clip right there. You push it with your thumb, push down, pulls out, push down, push the plug back in. You'll feel it lock, clip in.
You see that, what that looks like together?
So now I'm just gonna put the blade back in the bulb hole. I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it around until it seats flat with the rubber. I typically use the Braille method, as you can't see from here, my hole. So it just pushed in flat, and then I just turned it down to lock it. I don't know if you see that, just quarter turn. Doesn't turn like a full half or 360, just quarter turn. So I'm gonna go over here to the driver's side. I'm gonna do the same thing. It's this inside one. I'm gonna get my hand in here and just turn it. Now mine do not have dust caps on them. I don't remember if they are supposed to or not. Mine do not. My Honda Fit does have dust caps, so I don't know if I just took them off of this car when I put these LEDs in and didn't put them back, which does not seem like me, or if this car just doesn't have them. But if yours have dust caps on them, you just pull the dust cap back first. It's just a little rubber boot that goes around them. So, taking a look at the bottom, and no, this is not broken. This is how both sides of mine are. It just has a push pin to pull it off the clip. So, just like that.
Putting the brand new one back in.
If you're wondering why I put their gloves on, it's so you don't touch the bulb with your hands
Can we see what that looks like?
together.
Yep. That is what that looks like right there.
And it's in. Push, turn, line it up.
And you can see a little bit better view right there of what that looks like.
I'm gonna turn the headlights on so you can see them working.
There is a driver's side. There is a passenger side. This is the passenger side right there, what it looks like, push and twist. There is the driver's side, what it looks like together, pushed and twisted in.
So this has been a quick video on how to replace your low beams on your 2006 Honda Pilot. Mine is an LX model. It doesn't matter which model you have for these low beam lights. We did replace with LEDs because they're brighter and you get a better, clear picture. It should take you less than 5 minutes to get both headlights replaced. And I do recommend replacing both if you're replacing one, unless you are in a financial situation, you have to stop at an AutoZone late at night. You just get better, even distribution light, and that's from when I worked at an auto parts counter back in the day.
And even if you use halogen, like you are in AutoZone, and the LEDs are super expensive,
Especially if you use halogen.
yeah, definitely don't touch the bulb itself because it will cause it to burn out a little bit sooner.
Yes.
That's why they give you gloves.
They give you gloves.